I can find the initial value of a function is what we're going to take a look at today. What is an initial value? One way would be to say it's the starting point, it's what's already happened, it's the amount of money you've already got saved up and you're going to add towards it. It's really exactly what it says. It's the initial value. Sometimes you could change that and just call it a starting value. So how do you recognize it in a situation? Well, let's take a look at a word expression. Um, Joe eats 13 donuts every morning. So far, he's already eaten 4,745 donuts. What's the initial value of this one? Well, what's already happened? What's the starting amount? Is it 13 donuts every morning, or is it what he's already eaten? Uh, if you see already, that's usually a big indication. So we'll go ahead and mark down 4,745 donuts. Get in the habit of marking down whatever it is. If it's $13, make sure you understand that the 13 is dollars. If it was 4,745 walnuts, make sure that you understand it's walnuts. Just keep that in mind. So the initial value is 4,745 donuts. Carl earns $8.50 per hour, and so far he's already earned $24.50. What's already happened, or what is the initial amount that he's starting with? It's $24.50, and then the $8.50 per hour that he'll make is actually going to be added on top of that later. So the starting amount is $24.50. What happens if we don't have a word problem given to us? This is easy. I think you'll actually enjoy this part. Look for the output of where x is 0. So x is 0. What's its output? 4. So its output is 4. If we knew what y represented, we could call it whatever it represented. Like if it was in dollars, we could call it $4. If it was in kids, hey, it's 4 kids. But right now we just don't have that information, so we don't worry about it. Here in the mapping diagram, when x is 0, I know that the output is 8, so my initial value is 8. Here in the vertical table, when x is 0, my initial value is going to be the 7. So my initial value is 7. It's a little bit different whenever we look at a graphed function, but all you have to do is find out where is the line, disregard the y-axis and the x-axis. Where does the line actually touch the y-axis? Here you can see that it touches at 0 on the y-axis, so my initial value is 0. Where does it touch the y-axis? Here it would be 1, so my initial value is 1. So hopefully that helps you clear up what the initial value is. If you've got any questions, please just come and ask.